hi Mary. How are you? You good?
I'm very fine.
Good to see you.
Asante.
Karibu sana Kitisuru.
Asante. I say welcome. Yes.
Wana wako nakunyita ugeni.
Karibu sana guko gwitu.
Na hata go musuva close.
Na kwa guko gwita go Hotani Close.
Atawa?
Hotani Close.
Hotani
Close.
Close.
Adwa Hotani. Winners.
Oh, adwa Hotani. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Ndaiga gucerere.
Asante.
Todo tutoshara netie muno. Na tutikoretwo tukiona no. Riu tutiagicamania.
Na woka nginya muci.
Ndakinya nginya muci.
Yes.
Na ndoka ngirora kira na guku. He handu na hathaka muno. Shukuru munene muno wi ha mbere. Uretutea?
We have a very big school over here. It's called International School of Kenya.
International School of Kenya. ISK.
American system.
American system. Hey, okay. So fataire gwika atia thomere kuo? Kana ciana ciakwa?
Ciana.
Sawa. Tuthie. Good to be here. Nikaribisha tena.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hey.
Yes, this is Mary's home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mary's Mashonette.
Yes. Mary's Mashonette. Oh, Mary's house.
Mary's house.
Yes.
In Kitisuru.
Yes, yes.
Wow. Is this the first plot from the river?
No, there's also another plot.
Na tondu muramita river na ndiendero na mairi.
A spring.
Oh, it's a spring.
Yes.
It's a seasonal
spring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Hena mundu wake ta haria. So, one mugondo wa mwisho kuma na kienda kana wa keri?
Oh, ni wa keri kuma kienda.
All right.
Tondu hau hena mugondo ungi na riu rui.
All right.
Yes.
Well, that's good. Kogu hena kienda ki haha.
Hena kienda haria thi. Handu mundu agi relax. Kana agikorwo ni ara host visitors. No ekire tent ciake hau.
Oh.
Ona ndagitinda githu ona no muthie na mbere na maundu manyu hau na gutire mundu rathumbuka.
Nginya retagwo party after party.
Yes.
No ekiro haha. Ndio uko party after party.
Yes. The good thing with our neighbors is that we are very friendly. The most important ni ko inform.
Okay.
Ukamera we are hosting.
Nitokona kanagene kani.
Kanti muno.
Kama ona gekiro birthday.
Na magagwitekeria.
Yes. Nagira.
Muno.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we are the neighborhood is very good. In expatriates. Na most of them are homeowners.
Okay.
So it's a good neighborhood.
Wow. Let me ask you a question. Mugondo ne size igana atia?
This is more than half an acre. Slightly more than half an acre.
Okay. Haya, ndona twena thutha.
This is now all the back of the house.
Okay.
Na kuri andu mangikirutira wira wa guthambia nguo.
Okay.
And the rest of the cleaning. And
kogo mahura nguo manekaga haha.
Riu manekaga mwena ucio.
Na no handu ngihumuka still.
Na ni handu riu andu mangihuruka still.
Okay.
Yeah. Na ni wakiona riu hena marigo.
Oh yes. Mikorofia ngwiciria ngani kwanyu ku gicagi.
Muranga.
Good. Mwangi wa iria wa makorofia ri.
Wa hash.
Riu woimete kuo before you came here.
Wajita riu. Kogo riu no nginya nyende makorofia.
Hey.
So I have a few.
We have German.
These ones are not German. They are hybrid.
Okay.
But the Germans are coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they are also very serious. Nike tutagiamba gucihingurira tondu.
Nigure hethina.
Riu no menya your strangers.
Oh.
Kogo ona korwo ndiri haha no inegene.
Ndingimenya twi nawe.
Riu twina tondu riu ni ndi haha nikio ikirite.
Okay.
Otherwise it would nesigiara karoro riu.
Okay. Ici nicio ndaiguire ingikua ndithikagwo uguo ta ici ingi.
No. Ni hageo no kona mini service ka undu ta. Riu no amenya no gukigwa uru uri ungigwa uru.
What do you mean by mini service?
Ikukiuga riu ni yathie, you know.
Kogo ni mwikaga ceremony yo kanini.
Ni na riu ukikira tutamenya ni riri. No me mundu akiragwo riu awekwe mali pema peponi weri ni kire ya thina riu tutimenyaga matwara gwoko
hau peponi niho hari haga thina
riu tucio ithiaga ku
Nĩ ibatara mũhunjie hĩndĩ ĩyo mũrekaga service kau.
Rũcio tigũgĩka ithuĩ.
Okay. Haithuri. Ndũngĩmĩthika ũguo nĩ ũndũ wa value yayo.
Yes, of course. Tondũ na no menya harĩa ĩgĩragwo ndĩkĩgĩragwo oro ũguo.
So if you are to go abroad, ĩkũbidi ũmĩkue.
Rĩu either ndĩmĩkue kana ndĩmĩtware he handũ ĩtagwo nursery.
Oh.
Ta rĩu ingĩkorwo itarĩ kuo, that's the reason why I'm thinking of moving. Rĩrĩa itarĩ kuo, ingĩkorwo itarĩ kuo na gũtirĩ mũndũ wa kũmĩtĩkĩra kĩa. I would have to take it he handũ itwaragwo harĩa Karen.
Oh, okay.
Ka boarding school.
Oh, kĩrĩa ĩtagwo rĩrĩ? Daycare.
Daycare.
Okay.
Ũkamĩikia kũu ndukũ cigana ũna. Nĩgetha rĩu ũgacoka ũkamĩgĩra.
He, aya.
Rĩu nona wĩra ũcio ũkoneka ta ũngĩthitũha.
Koguo wĩna ngui no nginya ũkorwo na mũndũ wandĩkĩte mũciĩ. No
nginya ũkorwo na mũndũ wa gũcirugĩra na gũcimonitor.
Okay.
To take care of them.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha rĩu niho.
So this is the other lower side of the property.
Okay.
And then you can see the security. There's
this
electric
perimeter
fence.
Wall, electric fence.
Yeah.
Na ha mwanake hago shuha. Wow, okay. And then we have the lower part as well, an extension.
There's an extension.
Ugathiĩ nginya harĩa kona.
Nginya harĩa mwisho.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we need to go there?
It is you to tell me.
Okay.
Not to be tucoke tũgĩcoke.
All right.
Yes. So this is the one I was telling you is a very nice, also quite spacious and very cool.
Okay. Koguo no wĩkĩre igongona haha.
Haha rĩ, no wĩkĩre tent. Na wĩkĩre igongona.
Okay.
Na ũkorwo wĩna party yaku hau ũguo. And very cool. Ona ndũkũbatara rĩngĩ too many things tondũ it's also very, the shade is okay.
Okay. Wow. Nĩ handũ cool.
Yeah.
Hena karũhuho.
Yes.
Hena karĩera koimĩte na ketagwo ka ambience.
Yes.
Karoima na kĩanda.
Kuma na kĩanda. Na tondũ wa mĩtĩ rĩ, people will not see you from the other side. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ha, tukiumĩra nĩgetha rĩu ũnjerie mũciĩ.
No, to the
Ujeria, how many bedroom is the mansion?
The house is 6 bedroom. 5 of them are en suite.
5 of them are completely en suite?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my home.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mary's home.
Yeah. So this is where you land. Ukaboga kiona itawa riu. Which makes the place bright. It's an LED chandelier.
Okay.
Yes.
Nĩrĩo rĩrakaribisha mũgeni.
Nĩrĩo rĩkũkaribisha mũgeni. Yes.
Okay. Rĩu tũima haha tũkwambĩrĩria
sitting room.
Okay. Ngoria.
So welcome to our sitting room. Rĩu haha niho tukoragwo na andũ magĩũka gũcera. And if you have to have a word na relax, this is where we stay.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you have noticed that in a TV. So that people can take care of.
Nĩkĩ hagĩte TV nĩkĩ na ithuĩ sitting room citũ ciothe ciĩna TV?
Nĩ tondũ nĩ tũrenda mũgĩe na conversation.
Koguo TV ndĩarĩ meant for sitting room?
No. TV yagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo ĩ handũ special. Rĩu haha ũikare thĩ. Mũteretange. Kana mũkĩine mũhoe mwĩke fellowship. Things like that.
Okay.
You can see the type of light.
Okay.
We also have the dimming light.
All right.
And then wagĩkorwo wĩna kaka studio kanini mũrenda kwaria mũrĩerĩ mũtegũthumbũra andũ angĩ. Rĩu nĩ ũgũkũ ũhurũke haha ũguo.
Ũguo arĩa angĩ me kũrĩa.
Rĩu ũngĩkohe kaũndũ ngwendaga gũkwĩra just me and you. Acio angĩ makĩaragia rĩu no twarĩrie haha.
Okay.
Twarĩkia rĩu tũcoke to join the rest of the
kana rĩngĩ ka assignment tũreka haha ũguo.
Kabiacara.
Mathabu tũreka.
Tũcoke rĩu tũthiĩ. Tũthiĩ mwena ũcio ũngĩ.
All right. Why do you prefer the wooden table?
They are beautiful.
Looks very beautiful.
And then they also last. They last and last and last.
Okay. Yes. Is it waterproof?
It is also waterproof.
Okay. All right.
No, Mary Diogo swimming pool.
Yeah, because it seems it has a kind of like a coat.
It has a very good coat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that is a sitting room.
So, mwetirwo tuirio. Of course.
Maybe before tuthiete haria he dining.
Yeah.
Ndona hena fireplace.
A fireplace.
But now before the fireplace.
Yeah.
Hena handu hega ha kuiga
ungikorwo wina trophies. Nuona?
Yes.
Kana some nice antiques that can make your home look
like
nice.
This one.
Like
it says
this is a
Sigona Golf Club Appreciation Award, Light Africa Right for sponsoring end of year tournament on 31st December 2016. Are you a golfer?
Yes.
Oh.
I play golf.
Really?
Yes.
I will be joining you soon.
It is one of the best sports. Niki. Nigetha wakinyia miaka 78. No korwo githaka golf.
Okay.
But you cannot play football.
Right.
Nona?
Diroi.
Ukaiga tundo twaku hau uguo. No, we get to fish to your loved ones.
Okay.
That is what you can do.
All right.
Yeah.
These are...
Wewe near my son.
Ino tuomitaga do?
Yeah, that's a microscope.
Oh, microscope.
Yeah. Wewe akiheirwo thukuru as a gift.
Oh, okay.
Wewe unaona no nginya gakiririkanaga.
Wow.
All right.
So we have called the fireplace.
We have the fireplace. Nigetha kungiheha ri. No wikire tuku haria.
Okay.
And then you have the room.
Oh.
Yes. So
wow. Ona hone bigereire.
Ona hone no wikire tu indo guo tu urenda kuiga something you want to remember. You can put them there.
We have Qatar Airways Golf Day. Yes. So you are a serious golfer. Everything here is from golf.
I've played that. This is not from golf.
Oh, what is that?
This one was a word I was given for taking care of girl children.
Oh, wow.
You know?
Who gave you?
Procter & Gamble.
Okay.
The multinational that deals with menstrual health.
Okay.
Yes. Here you have the dining.
Yes.
The dining Ogrora, it can fit up to an 8. It's an 8-seater.
Oh, it's an 8-seater.
But even with room for more.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So we want a model, and which then opens to the kitchen.
Is this what we call the open kitchen?
This is partly open.
Okay.
Todo ugikirora ni kuona you can see part of the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
But it is not the one. The ones which are open kitchen, completely open. Ekoragwo ni ta the dining room na kitchen nitanyitanite.
Okay.
No inori ukoragwo tu it's that if you want to talk to someone we mwena wa riko ni mukwaria nake na ni mukuhota kwaraniria.
All right.
Yes. No goni our kitchen. This is our kitchen. As you can see, it is quite spacious.
Yes.
Mundu endete kuruga, mundu urenda kundu kwina space.
This is
it's a whole 6
with an oven.
With an oven, a big oven.
All right.
And there's even room for more.
Oh, yeah.
Again, mundu angikwarenda air 8.
No
kumekira nginya
kana wongerere karia kangi kanini.
Kana wongerere kanini.
So we have a lot of kitchen cabinets nyingi muno.
Enough, you cannot get enough of it.
Okay.
You can see, you can put everything you want to put in the various places. So you have a lot of space.
Okay.
Ndungiremwo ni kwaga, ndungiuga ati ni waga kundu gwa kuiga indo ciaku, you can be able to put the urafatara.
Wow, we have a fridge.
Yes.
A very big fridge.
Ndu ino nginya tuikare andu makimenyaga
ino kale iria ndaiguire ciraria. He ndo na TV ne ciraria. Do you exactly ciugaga atia? No he ndo na TV ne kiaria. No ni hana kwaria.
Ino ndiaragia no
ni fataire.
Ni gukuhe ice iria urenda tari gukorera kwa ice ni gukunengereria hau.
Oh, okay.
That is the idea.
No igwa niranengereria mundu ko no teraria. No na ibi urerutira ni gukunengereria. Ni
gukunengereria. So you have all this space. Kukugua the room. So when someone is cooking either kana kwenda kuheana irio ciake acigirire haha nicely.
And we still have some more cabinets down
there. Na hena cabinets ingi bado mwena uyu and there are also drawers.
Okay.
Ni ndu wa gwikira indo ta iciko. So it is a beautifully spacious place.
Okay.
Then
we have a store.
We have a small store ya kuiga indo iria riu akoneta wauma medikuria ni magabebe.
Yeah.
Na marigo.
Oh.
So this is where we keep it.
Okay.
And this is the pantry.
All right.
So riu haha niho tukihuragira nguo. You can put your washing machine over here.
Okay.
Nigetha riu warikia kuhura nguo ndugitwara hau nja nigetha wanike.
Oh, na ha thutha ha kwanika nguo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is well wired.
Okay.
Ginya mai, ginya mahiu na mahehu.
Wow.
So that now everything when you bring in your washing machine, you just fit it.
Good.
Yes.
Pantry. Twarikia toi mariko, twathie sitting room, twathie dining, twathie kitchen, tuka kwa kuhurira nguo. Where are we heading to?
Twathie guest room.
Guest room.
Yes.
That is now
still
the first.
The first floor.
Oh, it's still.
Tutire turarikia ground.
To your ground. Okay. Hi Mary. So you said you are a golfer.
I told you I'm a golfer.
Okay.
So, as you can see, I have a bag.
Okay.
Yeah. Really.
Ishine.
Now.
Tabile no. You know,
can I see which one you have held?
Oniri naba.
That one is called a sandwich.
Okay.
Look how niga go short distances.
Ogwa. Oh, ene. Oh.
Yes. Yeah, just a short distance. Ti ogwo nyitete. Enyita gwatiriri. No. Muko gukoragwo haha.
Okay.
Na kuguko haha mbere. Tageri ogwo. Ti kunyita tago. No. Ti kunyita tago nyite kahoro ogwo.
Okay.
Riu ogwo. Haya. Riu tageri go swing. Good. Ona no take golfer.
Wow.
And then when you want to hit far. No ikoragwo nginya na ngofia. Ino ikoragwo nginya na ngofia.
Okay. We, my lord. Na nikahuthu muno.
Yes. Wira wayo ni kuthutha kundu kuraihu.
Ona ange makembia na iguru.
Onde, rutagio rona guku. Now and this is the sport I said you're going to do until you are 70.
Okay.
8.
Dikorega. I'm okay.
And for the young ones, them they are not golfers. They like their bikes.
Oh, bike.
Yeah. No, na neither too. Oh. Everybody has their bike.
Okay.
We have Esther's bike, Joshua's, and Daniel's.
Wow. I also have a bike.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I have a bike.
Do you ride?
Of course I do.
When?
Well, in 2022.
In
2022, I was in Karura. I did a lot of riding.
2020?
Two.
Not 2020?
Now you see,
just ask.
But I've been so busy.
We have to take care of our bodies.
Anyway, I'll try. Let me try golf.
So this is one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
Which is also en suite. As you can see.
You say the guest room. This
is the guest room.
Okay.
Yeah. So when someone comes, this is where I host one of my guests.
Oh, okay.
Mugeni okagushera. Ugakimuhe ahuruke haha.
All right.
And as you can see, it has a good cabinets. Na ina kudugwa with kirina bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
And it's so spacious actually. The bathroom is very spacious.
Yes, it's very spacious.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Just some few.
That one is, yeah.
Renovations.
Renovations to be done.
Okay. So we are now going upstairs.
We are going to the first floor.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
This is the only one that is not en suite.
Okay.
But it's also quite spacious, as you can
Whose bedroom is this?
This is Joshua's.
Joshua, the young boy.
The young boy.
Oh, the young gopher.
Who is now going to go to high school in September.
Okay.
But as you can see,
so it will be vacant immediately he moves out.
Yeah, he will be coming maybe once for the holiday.
Oh.
But the rest will not even be coming in. They are going to be staying there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Right. So this is as you can see, it's very spacious. It has a good place where he can study.
Okay.
And the different where he can put his things.
Okay.
He can put his clothes and everything. And then also additional space up there.
Okay, for the wardrobe.
Yeah, you can see also because of the 3 windows, you have very good natural light.
Oh,
yeah, you
the
don't
light
need
circulation is very nice.
Yes, you don't need the circulation is fantastic.
Okay.
This is the second bedroom. No, I already showed you 2. So
yes.
This is the third bedroom.
The one for
I showed you the guest room. Then I showed you the other smaller one that is not en suite.
For the young boy.
For the young boy.
Sure.
But then now you have the third bedroom.
Okay.
This is way more spacious than the other one, as you can see. And then also enough room for for clothes.
This is for who?
This is for the big young man. His name is Daniel.
For the firstborn.
My firstborn, who is a worshiper.
This is very spacious.
Yes.
It's almost twice the
size
boys.
of the other one. Yes.
Yeah.
This one is very, in fact, as you can see, he's able to have his own a place to study.
So right from the wardrobes,
to the
size of the bed,
to a place
this is almost king size.
Exactly. It's not. It's almost. It's actually a king size bed.
It's 5 by 6 or 6 by 6.
It's a 6 by 6.
Oh, this is king size.
It's a king size bed and living space. Big space on this side, as you can see, and at the same time also still a lot of space on that side.
Okay.
Yeah. So
this is still. Is it still?
This is en suite.
En suite.
Yeah, as you can see, it has a very spacious.
Okay, very spacious
bathroom, which you can,
Wow, this is
This is the
Madame Boss house.
Master's bedroom.
Madame Boss.
I don't know why they call the master, because I just say this is my bedroom.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's very spacious. Someone can be able to see. You can basically put as a big 6 by 6 and still find there's more space.
This is 6 by 6.
These are 6 by 6.
Okay.
But because of the size of the room, I'm sure it's looking like it's a small bed compared to the place.
Oh, because the room is now big.
Because the room is quite big, it also almost shows like the room is,
And even the circulation of light is quite friendly.
Circulation.
Because of the balcony. There's a balcony over there.
So now you can also see in terms of the storage, we have all this.
Okay.
In your own quiet, when you're in the bedroom, if you don't want to be disturbed but you still want to relax outside, you can come and then you can come and relax over
there. By the way, is the gate connected with the alarm system?
Yes, yes.
That when somebody presses from outside, you are able to hear the sound from your bedroom?
Yes, yes, yes.
And then you're able to come in? You
can be able to see.
Okay.
And even other people will be able to hear.
All right. Yeah. Good. Kuma haru tuigire so no na master bedroom ne na pio. It's very spacious.
Very spacious.
Nikodo kohorera no ikona ka junior. Nege kuhota kuona kwa gutangatanga.
Then tutireketie.
Oh, okay.
So this is the, what do we normally call it? The dressing room.
Closet ne do.
Closet. So closet re. Nere koragwo it opens like the different
okay.
Like tari where ya koro hahari get open closet.
Okay.
But this can also be called a dressing room.
Okay.
So duru ha ni ho guka we maguta maku. And you can be able to put your things, and there's no additional storage you'll be able to see.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Then we have
the master bedrooms. Also en suite.
Okay.
With a big bathtub. Yeah.
So you have to go there. You have no choice.
No, you
every single day you have to go there.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's enjoyable to do that.
Alone? Okay. Forget about it. Forget about it. So the moment I said it's Mary's master bedroom,
it is Mary's
forget about the other person.
Master bedroom. Mary Wairimo.
Okay.
So this is the study room, or a small office.
Okay.
Oh,
it has a printer.
I have a printer, so I can do everything because there's Wi-Fi.
Okay.
When I'm working from here, I can just...
Is it a library or a study room?
It's both.
Okay.
So I can sit here and do my work, get onto my computer and check what is going on, and finish my work, and also call my team that when I'm working who work in Turkana, and we can have online meetings over here.
Okay.
So this is a good place to do my work.
What quality is this? Which company?
This is called Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Microsoft Surface 7.
Oh, na gwenda gate undathime nayo.
Microsoft Surface 7.
Mwathani aroiga turathimane na indo iria cia goro.
Riu ngwire no. Riu no tablet. This is a full laptop.
Okay.
But it looks like a tablet.
How blessed durahanyita. Athi na mbere. Oh, hako bless. Hako
kurathima.
Ni harathi hakora.
Ngunengere ugo kahanda.
Mauge.
Ndegekera ibutiti na
andu hauga mwathani akurathime uga ndakurathima.
Now, do you know which book you have just held?
Confessions of a Teenage Girl.
Yeah. By who?
By Esther Mudhonis. Oh, your daughter.
Yes.
Wow. She's a writer.
My daughter is a writer.
Wow.
So this book is a published book.
Okay.
By Esther Mudhoni.
Just read a statement. Can you handle me?
We
cannot handle her.
She said it's a confessions of a teenage girl.
Where?
She's
very bright, like
but
her mom.
Very intelligent. If someone wanted to make even a bigger room of the study,
okay,
they can have that as a full continuation.
Oh.
You wanna?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So you can extend.
You can extend.
Okay.
So this one, 5 years ago, or even how Berehanini, this is where my children were playing.
Oh.
They would come, they put their toys over here, they play. No, they don't have
That is why you want to move out.
We don't need this place. I'm putting a flower now.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good. In your study room, very spacious also.
Now we are heading to the third floor, or the attic.
Second floor.
The second floor, yes. Sorry. The second floor. That is now the attic. So this is the attic. No akiona uko njuritie kuria TV eri.
Oh, okay.
So this is where you come and relax.
Wow.
Riu wakorora nda guthikiriria
inegene riothe rikoragwo guku.
Inegene riu no rikori mwena uyu nona. Including if you want to do your these are PlayStation. There's a PS5 hadu hahogo.
Oh, PS5. Ithu tuthakite nginya Xbox. No, hindi itu kwari na PS1.
Oh, PS1.
Tukinyita PS5.
Itu PS5.
Riu no thakaga no.
One Mr. Joshua.
Okay.
That one is called Nintendo.
Hizo.
Nda ikara maki-update ago.
Shikara iki-upgrade ago one mahotaga.
No riu ithuiri. I don't even have time for that.
Okay.
But
so these are an upper sitting room.
This is the upper sitting room.
Ya kuirora TV na kina games.
You can now put your music. Koro you like.
Okay.
Iria tuga boom twaf. Inegene.
Wow. And no Wi-Fi router na do show there.
That is where the Wi-Fi.
Nobody mentioned about the tiles.
Oh, the floor.
Yes.
Yes. So
what kind of a floor is this?
Actually, apart from the study, all the other rooms, they have wooden floor.
Oh, this is wooden floor. Yes. Apart from?
Just the study.
Okay.
You should get sure there.
What is the advantage of having a wooden floor?
A wooden floor is warm. And also it is very, very long lasting.
Okay.
You can see how they look. You just polish once in a while.
Let me try and...
Yeah, it is warm.
It's very warm.
You don't feel cold. You can walk barefoot.
And waterproof.
And it's also, because it has varnish, it's waterproof. It's not encouraged. No, that cannot happen.
All right.
Yeah. And
now spacious wega.
It's very spacious. I still have more space on this side. More furniture, they can do that.
Okay.
And
we have a wooden ceiling.
And now here you have the wooden ceiling. And also the aeration is also very good.
Okay.
So you are able to get the light coming from all the different places.
Wow, koguo turete gutiriha thabari ya mucio. Is this
now here
is a store?
It's not just a store. I told them but it will be a picture, yeah?
Okay.
You know, this house has 300 liters of hot water.
Okay.
Which is a solar.
Oh.
And you can see the tank. The tank is not this one is a specialized one.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. This is the one open balcony that we have.
Okay.
And as you can see here, we have put a machine to do a bit of weightlifting.
Is it working?
I don't know if it is working. I think my son has been using it, but
oh.
Yeah, but it's working.
Okay.
No, hey. Okay, menyerere ndukae guturwo ni githuri.
Yes. So it's working.
Yes, it is working.
Na no ongerere kangi na mahiga na ki.
Yes. Na haha nuona, you can see the view.
All right. Ndikanaigua ka breeze. Kega muno kahehu.
Riu haha
karoima na ni oxygen ituganite na ka breeze.
Ni uraguthia uragukwiraga horo wa oxygen quality. He kindu ihutagia thiini wa brain. Itagwo riri. Creative juices.
Oh.
Riu ugakora there's a beautiful idea. Yoka mutu ori mwe utangireciiririe korwo urari handu hena rukungu nona bori. Ukaigwa ni yoka idea mwe njega muno.
Ko ne hega ha ko develop ideas.
To think about ideas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Koguo no tugeterere ga space ka
meditate.
Iga ko meditate.
Exactly.
Na dole innovatively gwicene handu hega ha guikara ha gwiciriria. Ugoka na ki idea gigathithura bururi. Andu makarigwa atiriri areci nuhoro ciori areciriria atia. Wow.
Yeah.
The most interesting part ona ti goka kugura nyumba eno ta guikara Kitisuru.
The neighborhood is fantastic. The neighborhood is fantastic.
Gutiri kindu kiega ta guikara handu hahoreru, handu taranegenerwo, handu takaigwa power show, gwitu kira ukaigwa power show karibuka
na ndukubatara guthio na kunginya na kuri muru. You are about 15 minutes from Westlands. Yeah. So you're almost within the city, but in a very quiet place.
Village market is also a quiet environment.
Exactly.
Na shera ni guthio guthaka ho.
It's 15 minutes.
Actually, I saw a mall. Na murakiro mall haha. Iretwa tia?
No, iretwa tiriri. Kitisuru Mall, not Kitisuru Mall. Ena karetwa kage hau gatagati, but it is Kitisuru Mall.
Okay.
Which you can walk to.
You can do your shopping. I'm sure there's a grocery.
There's a supermarket there.
There must be a grocery.
Small,
Okay.
Small supermarket. Yeah.
Koguo wewe da wikara Kitisuru. By the way, for your information, no uke family yaku guku, no uke urutire project yaku guku. Kuri andu menda kurutira ma project mao mucii. Those people who are working in embassies. Kuma mabũrũri ma nanja na Kenya, no ugure wi mucii waku. Ucoke u renovate kuringana na kirathi kiria ungienda. Uke wikare haha. I'm telling you, I've walked to so many places. I've been into Karen, I've been into Runda, but this place is an amazing place. Niondo wa miti miingi. I love the neighborhood.
The neighborhood is very good.
Na ona haha ho henyewe ni heikaritie wega.
Ni hakirite wega.
Yes. Being on have an acre. Yeah. It's so nice. Let me hope the price is negotiable.
The price is negotiable.
Because you're dealing direct with the owner.
You're dealing directly with the owner. So I'm sure through Farodhi you'll be able to get in touch with me.
Okay.
Then nitoko hota ku negotiate.
Whether it's cash, whether it's installment,
nitoko discuss
about the price.
We can discuss.
And so many other things that you need to know.
Details. Yes. Yeah.
So all I can assure you, Mary is a good person. She's the owner. She's so friendly.
We have stayed here for 13 years.
Yes.
I can tell you they will be blessed.
Oh.
Nimekurathim.
No uke ongerere miti yaku, no weherie ri utarenda. Taume ko donate to no weherie rengi umwe tigia hili.
Umwe acenjie rangi ya nyumba ngikorora nyumba ya grey.
Umithondeke uri ukuigwo kienda gutura guku. It's so unfortunate ati ndingithura guikara guku. Tondu so, but tigiti hani ginye.
Just like this.
Hani.
Na kengai waku no neigwa.
Ona Ruto ndo enega tuika president.
Ona neigwa ona ngai waku aigwa tha icio ogo.
Ndukire ndeka ngira ngatiri wa guku no ndirathie ngiaragia. Otukiaragia ndungimenya.
Ngimenya urathie ki declare. Okay.
Koguo nyumba ino ikomeire half an acre land. Na tugire the International School of Kenya. It's just 5 minutes from here.
5 minutes from here.
You can actually walk to the school.
You can walk to the school. Even the Peponi school is also here 10 minutes. And a very safe place. Very, very safe.
By the security wise?
We have no problem.
Okay.
We don't have a problem. And the reason for that is also because of the type of people who live around here.
Okay.
Like I said, we have international community and also different type of corporate people. Security is something we take very seriously.
Water?
Water is no problem at all. You cannot be because of the slope. Ona tukeigwa ndo makiannounce ati Nairobi gutire mai.
Manyu makinya haria makaharura.
Magoka magiukaga itugo to priority one.
There's like a very nice slope upwards here. Haria tuikorokeire.
We don't have any water problems.
Okay.
At all. Ona tikweyugithia. Here we don't have water problems.
Okay.
And also we don't have flooding problems.
Okay.
Tutire mathina mate.
By the way, mugondo wikarite. You can never experience flood.
Any issues of flooding.
Okay. Good. Kowe na family nene no yoke ikare guku. Okoro ni urenda ukawikira project cia kuguku. Maybe
no go people who like to take these places. Makoya rege a big office.
Okay.
They can also do that. I've seen people who do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Toginyo kowe mu Kenya, kowe mu Hindi, mu China.
Anybody.
Mudu othe.
Mudu othe.
So, if you want to live in Kenya, please choose Kitisuru. And if you want to live in Kitisuru, Mary's house, talk to Mary. We will share the email, the contacts, and everything. Nigetha na umuhurire direct utekufatara kuhurira. Ugenda kuhurira ni okay, need to consult anything. But if you want to talk to Mary direct, she's here.
Can talk to me.
She'll be available for that.
Thank you.
Mary, I'm happy.
Thank you so much for coming.
Ndakena kugena to tips to kire ingenda gwaka. I'm sure nyumba ino ni irite mbeca nyingi muno kumiiga ogwe hana.
Maintain.
13 years later no irugamite.
We have tried to take good care of it. Na nidona ndo wajiriria ko develop interest ya golf.
Yes. By the way, ugeikara guku ri, most of residents here are golfers. They are in one of the biggest golf courses like Sigona, Muthaiga
is just here.
Karen.
You know?
So once you're here, you have to develop the interest. You have no choice.
You have to learn some of those things.
Of course, yes.
Or others. Yeah.
So, karibuni KITISURU.